Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the December 2025 Double Shot Kit. So our Double Shot Kit comes out every month and it includes two brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. But if you're looking for even more product, then check out our flavors of the month. And you can get 4 brand new collections plus lots of add-ons, so it's a really great kit to add. And of course, the Double Shot this month is perfect for your Christmas scrapbooking. So it's a great time, even if you don't normally pick up the Double Shot, to pick it up. This month, our 2 collections include Echo Park, Christmas Delivery, and Simple Stories, all wrapped up. Along with your kits, you have access to a free exclusive cut file. This month is this awesome title, Christmas Squad, so perfect for our collections. You also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are for double page layouts that our design team creates for you. So they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a color photograph of the finished layout you can create right along with them. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's Double Shot. Our first collection is Santa's Christmas Delivery from Echo Park. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of green cardstock, 1 sheet of red. This pattern paper that has the light garlands on it, and the back is kind of a candy cane peppermint striped in the green. That paper is called Twinkling Lights. So we have the snowflake print on the red and a Christmas plaid on the back. This paper is called Snowflake Season. We have Santa's Delivery Truck, super cute in the red, and the back is a pink snowflake print. That paper is called Santa's Delivery. One more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have lots of Merry Christmas, Holly Jolly for titles. We have this cute little banner. All of the little gingerbread houses. I love the gingerbread look. So that is Santa's Christmas Delivery from Echo Park. Our other collection is all wrapped up from Simple Stories. So this is kind of a little bit vintage, it's whimsical, it's really fun. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock, 1 sheet of white. This paper called Twinkle Lights, which is the pattern paper pieced trees on the green, and the back is a light garland. This paper is called Good Cheer, and it's a ledger with all of these little pattern paper designs taped on here. Super cute. The back is a musical notes print on the red. This paper is Warm Wishes. This paper I can't wait to cut into. This is going to be a lot of fun. You can have a lot of fun with these kind of shapes, cutting it apart and putting it back together some way. And then you have the aqua gingham print that's super cute here. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a variety. So you're going to get some of the foam stickers. Of course, all of these will vary among the kits. You have some red sparkly enamel dots or another color because there's different colors on the sheet. And then you're going to get some of the die cuts. So these are the ones that I got. So that is all wrapped up from Simple Stories. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to check out all the other items in the store. Join us on the Facebook group and blog on the challenges. We have lots of fun over there and there is tons of inspiration. Everyone here at the Scrap Room hopes that you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy holidays, happy New Year. Thanks so much for being a loyal subscriber. We really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.